Maybe you used to do CrossFit 3 times per week before you stopped, or you set a goal of running a marathon and train daily until the marathon itself and then stop. Both of the approaches above were worthwhile pursuits, but they were also unsustainable. And if you want to lose fat and keep it off for good, you need to do something you can stick to long term. There are 3 ways. Before we begin, hit like, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and the bell to stay up to date with all things fat loss. Great minimums. Most people tend to set a goal and then go all in until they achieve it. Once the goal is reached, they stop. So try creating weekly minimums that you can stick to until you die. And I'm being serious. This may be a certain amount of steps per day, a certain exercise you do in the gym every week. For me, it's squats. But whatever it is, just make sure it's something that you know you'll benefit from long term and is something that you can commit to long term. Avoid intensity. Now, most clients I've taken on used to follow a program, but it was far too intense. It was too hard too soon, too hard for too long. So make sure your training program isn't these things. It's not necessary for you to get great results by training super intensely every session. Something that promotes long-term consistency is use the right metrics. My focus with my clients is to get them stronger. Usually this leads to increased muscle mass, much better weight management, and much better adherence as they see progress week on week and start to feel good about themselves. The nice thing with strength training is that rest during the session is encouraged, so you're not beasting yourself continuously for an hour. And it's great for you beginners who feel like progress shouldn't be this easy. So follow these 3 tips and it's likely that you'll be able to stick to your exercise program for the rest of your life and get results that you can maintain for the rest of your life.